Hey guys, it's Lauren from It's the Kellys, and I am currently traveling in Norway. And a lot of you guys have always wondered, what do I have in my toiletries bag, including my liquids? Well, I'm going to show you today. But first, this hotel has a spa. So let me go get all sweaty and then come back and use everything that's in my toiletries bag before I go out tonight. Saunas are way better when you can jump into the Arctic Ocean after. But this was still pretty good. Okay, so if I'm going to be totally honest, I haven't really gotten ready a lot on this trip whatsoever. And the whole reason being is that it's been snowy and rainy in Norway a lot. So I don't really care about my hair because I'm wearing a wool hat the whole time. And I don't really care about my makeup as long as I look somewhat presentable because it's all gonna get wet anyway. But I did pack everything, and I packed everything very minimally. So first let's go over what's in everything, and then we're gonna get ready. This is my toiletries bag that is not liquid, and this is my toiletries bag that is liquid. Obviously, I do carry on only, so everything liquid-wise has to be 100 milliliters or 3.1 ounces or less. And you can only have one bag like this, a clear plastic bag, and it has to close. And I know the USA isn't very strict when you're doing domestic travel, but international travel is very, very strict. Let's open this up real quick. So first we have my face wash, then I have my moisturizer. I also have, and bringing this whole entire thing wasn't necessary, I could have taken just a little bit in a contact container, but this is my under eye cream that I love because I hate getting old. I'm sorry for the lighting in here, you guys. Norway doesn't have a lot of natural light. These are eye drops that I like to bring on the plane with me because when you're waking up after a 6+ hour flight, your eyes are very dry. This is dry shampoo. This is Weekend Hair by Joico. I've used it once because again, I've been wearing a hat. This is my primer. This is my little setting spray, but it also just feels really nice to spray on your face, especially after a long flight. I have my toothpaste, which is a liquid, and my foundation from MAC. So that is my liquids bag. Gotta pack it back up. Now, I've been using this cough syrup when I've been here in Norway and it's really helped me, but it's 120 milliliters, so I can't bring it home with me. So before I fly, I just gotta chug it. So this is my other toiletries bag, and inside this is all of my makeup. I got this little case in Bali, and I'll open that up in just a second, but I have a comb, I have contact, Q-tips, travel size deodorant, a razor, my toothbrush with my cute little holder on it, a clip for if I do my hair because I do have a flat iron with me to curl it. Haven't used it. Some band-aids because you never know. I fell down today, but I didn't actually get hurt, so I don't need it. And then these are all my Gemz shampoos and conditioners. And if you guys don't know what these are, go watch my review that I did. I'll link it right up here. These are non-liquid shampoo and conditioners, but they're not like a bar. I hate the bars. I hate traveling with the bars. These are amazing. You just open it up, get it wet, and it becomes liquid shampoo or liquid conditioner, and then you use it like normal. And there's so many different ones to choose from. Whoops. Love it. I've washed my hair once on this trip so far after jumping into the ocean, but I did definitely have to wash my hair then, and I'm gonna wash it tonight as well. And then this is my makeup case. So I already showed you guys my foundation that I have in my other one. This is my Subtle Beauty Stack. If you guys didn't see the review I did on this, you really should. It's amazing. This is an eyeshadow, a bronzer, and a lip and cheek all in one. And then I have some brushes. I will do my makeup in this video just for you guys. I don't really feel like I need to, but it is Friday night and I'm going to a bar, so why not? This is a little setting powder that I have. This is for my eyebrows. This is for my under eye circles. And then this is mascara. And I got this mascara because everyone says that I should and it sucks. All right, so I'm gonna go get in the shower, wash my hair, do all the things, and we'll do my makeup. And you guys will probably notice that I did not have body wash in there because guess what? Every hotel comes with it. Also, my bathroom has a heated floor, so all of my wet items are on there drying. Okay, so the shampoo I'm going to be using today is the Pure Scalp and Nourished Tips. Because when you've gone several days without washing your hair, then deep cleaning your scalp is very important. And then for conditioner, I'm using my Profound Moisture because my hair has felt just a little bit dry. Here goes nothing. So fresh and so clean. Time for conditioner. I'm using 2 because I have so much hair. Magic! That's it. Okay. Just put this moisturizer on and a little bit of the under eye stuff. See, I would go out just like this. Some lips. Oh, I do have lips. It's just not in here because it's in my purse. So I'm just gonna use the littlest amount of primer. And then we'll put on some foundation. This is really hard without a mirror. I guess I forgot to show you guys that I have a beauty blender too. Okay, now we are going to use this, which let's use the bronzer first. A little bit on the sides of my nose. I especially love this little cheek color right here because you don't even need a brush. You can just dab it right on your cheeks. Maybe I'm really strong when I put it back together, but I cracked it and they actually sent me a replacement. So I'm very, very pleased. Pot it in, pot it in. Do I really have to do eyeshadow? Ugh. In the green. Today while I was on top of a mountain, I met people that are here on a cruise ship, but their cruise was for 4 months. And I gave them tips on the Northern Lights because that's what I'm here for. Okay, now we need some mascara. And it's waterproof because I'm in Norway. All right, all we need to do is lips, but we're gonna do that after I'm done with my hair. Look how much better my makeup looks in this light. I really don't want to dry my hair, but here we are doing a video for you guys. This is going to be another video. A lot of you guys asked about travel dryers. I would never, ever bring a blow dryer with me on vacation, ever. I don't care about my hair that much. Braid it overnight, let it air dry, curl it the next day, whatever. I think it takes up a lot of space and there's no travel dryers that are really that good. My biggest piece of advice as a traveler is don't bring one. Plus, your hotel will have one. This is the one that my hotel came with. It is actually full size, but it's probably not very powerful. Now this comes with its own European plug, but if you did bring your own, then you would just use the converter. 1, 2, 3. So boring. Hello, my name is Cousin It. Literally, that's all I'm gonna do. That's it. I don't want to dry it all the way anyway. For lips, I'm a lip freak. I like my lips to look huge. I get lip injections. I don't care what you think. All right, I'm ready to go out. I did my hair and makeup. So yeah, what I'm going to pack for my makeup and for my skin and for my hair is going to be based on where I'm going. You know, here I was coming to wet, snowy Norway, so I didn't really care that much. But if I'm going somewhere that I'm going out every night, that I'm getting dressed up, am I going to a beach, something like that, those products I'm going to bring are going to be very different than this trip. For example, for the beach, I'm going to bring something for my hair to really nourish it after the salt water, and I'm going to bring things in my liquids bag that are good for being in the sun. So I will be going on a trip in February where I'm doing more of a tropics cruise, and that I will do another toiletries bag when I go on that, because that's going to be completely different. And when I get home, I'm gonna braid my hair overnight and show you guys what it looks like in the morning. It's actually really cold in here. See guys, what was the point of drying my hair? Because now it's wet from being out in the rain. But my makeup still looks good. All right, so now I'm going to braid my hair to go to bed so that I will take it out in the morning and it'll be wavy. Normal braid, a bunch of pieces then if you can't French braid. French braid. Oh, the braid in France is so beautiful. Voila, Pippi Longstocking. Now, I'm gonna go to bed. Morning, let's take my braids out. And today's a new day. I'm not wearing any makeup. I'll put some contacts in and this is how I'm going. I'm gonna go on a fjord tour and that'll be another video. Thanks so much for watching, guys.